They come to our town, they round us up and separate us and send us away someplace else. People, a safe haven this morning. We arranged for all Christian families, all Christian family who were friendly to us, very friendly, even buried our treasures in the backyard. We parted with all our, not all, but most of our household goods. Most likely money was exchanged for them to look after Shmuel in case we get separated. At the day of the expulsion, while we were being gathered in the place, he went down the street where these people lived, and we knew he was okay. Before the day was out, before the day was over, he came back to the marketplace. I couldn't step out to get his attention or anything because I would have been shot. And until today, I don't know why he did. I went back to this family and talked to the woman in the house. The kids were my friends. I spoke to two of them, another, one story. One of the boys, another story, and the other boy, another story. What are you going to make of this?
There's a gentleman at the end of that row who has a question. You could flip.
Okay, so I'm just going to give you a really quick background information. Louder?
Yeah, I'll go there.
So, my name is David. I'm a Jew from Germany. You, David.
Yes.
I am a Jew from Germany. I grew up there. I was born there. I grew up there.
Where?
Cologne. Good.
I'm a rabbi.
What's your name?
Sheep.
Shim. Oh, that was back in the days. Huh? Back in the days?
He was a rabbi here, he was a rabbi in Germany too. He used to lecture in the church.
Oh, I didn't know. Maybe before my
Cologne, yeah.
Maybe before my time.